Hey there TRW crew, Matt Masallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So many of you have asked if you could do a multi-deck designs on our TRW style tote bag. So we wanted to create a video to show you how this is done and show you that it can easily be done as well. So this is one of our multi-deck designs that we have available on the website. It's the swimming design. So what we're going to do, the key thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have this flat surface that we're putting inside it. So what it is just two pieces of foam board that we layered on top of each other to give it some good flat support and be able to press the heat press vinyl part of the design on it. So you figure with the microfiber there may be some issues with the heat press vinyl. You just want to make sure you have a nice flat surface with that foam board underneath there, and then make sure you have some good pressure as well. So we have it at 325 degrees and we're going to do it for 15 seconds with a nice firm pressure just to make sure it gets down into those grooves of the microfiber. And then what we're going to do right after we press it is we're just going to go over it with a shirt while it's still nice and hot to make sure it got down into those areas. So we did our pre-press here, we got it all ready. Let's go ahead and line up our design here. Now the material we're using here is a nice bright hot pink, and this is the Eco Film from Imprintables Warehouse. That's the heat press vinyl we like. It's very easy. We never have any issues with any peeling or anything. And it's a nice warm peel, so as soon as you're done with it, you can peel it off. You don't have to wait like some of the cold peels that you see out there. So we got our nice firm pressure here. And we're going to go for the full 15 seconds. And as you can see, we're going to grab this shirt here real quick. And we're just going to go over it, and what that's going to do is just make sure that it gets down into any of those grooves of the print of the microfiber on the bag. We can go ahead and pull off our top layer carrier sheet here. And as you can see, it went ahead and applied to the bag perfectly there. We'll show you a little close-up here so you can see what it looks like. And you can see that it got down in there because you can see all the lines of the grooves of the microfiber. So that way, if you can see all those lines, that means you know that it got down in there good and it got a good adhesive to it. Now you could leave it just like we had it there, or what we can do is we can add the rhinestones to it. So this is the rhinestone part. The great thing about the multi-deck designs that we have is you can use them as just the heat press vinyl, or you can add the rhinestones around them as well. So on this bag, the customer did want the rhinestones around them. So all we're going to do is just eyeball it, and everything's going to line up perfectly there. Once we have it nice and lined up, let's go ahead and press it. Just make sure that you don't want to have, you could see that we just moved a little bit there. We had the zipper in the press, so we want to make sure that the zipper, that top zipper, is outside the press, because you don't want the heat going directly on that metal of the zipper. So again, we're going to do right around 15 seconds just to make sure all the stones get a good adhesion to the material. And as you can see, all of the stones are on the actual microfiber part of the bag. They're not on the heat press vinyl. That way they're going to get a nice outline around it, and they're going to look good right there and get a good adhesion to the microfiber part of the bag. So there we go. We are completely done with this. And as you can see, just a couple minutes and you got your heat press vinyl and your full rhinestones around, and get a real unique look on these bags, and great looking for all the different designs. And we have a bunch of different of the multi-deck designs available on the website for all sports, so make sure to check them out. We have them in the download files, so you can cut them yourself, do everything yourself, and offer these exact designs and bags to your customers. And we do have the TRW style bags available at wholesale on our website as well. Just visit the website, www.therhinestoneworld.com. Or just give us a call if you have any questions. Number's 941-755-1696. This is Matt with therhinestoneworld.com, and you guys have a great day.